I've always wanted to do this, put them together and see the difference. And it's pretty amazing.
Two friends, two unique airplanes, Italian style versus American muscle. And now, a head-to-head fly-off between two rare seabirds. The Piaggio P.136 Gull and Grumman's G44 Widgeon.
And then it's like, okay, and then the last maneuver is that we do a drag race. And so it's like Bonanza number 3 breaks out. Bonanza becomes the finish line.
At first, you would think it would be no contest. Both seaplanes have been re-engined with Lycoming GSO 480 geared engines, swinging 3-blade Hartzell props. But the Gull is bigger, longer, more wing, and more than 800 pounds heavier at its empty weight. But water takeoffs were about the same for both aircraft. The Gull's big, thick wing and long flaps provided lots of low-speed lift to compensate for the additional weight. The Gull's approach speed is higher than the Widgeon's, but it has reversible props, so both airplanes need about the same amount of water to get stopped. The Gull and the Widgeon are close in stall speeds. The Widgeon does a little better with flaps, and the Gull is better clean.
Okay, here we go. Power's coming up.
And when it came to the drag race,
The Gull is faster by maybe a knot or 2.
both pilots love their seabirds.
I've been flying it while those other guys owned it since I was 16, and I'm 67 now, so
Wow.
I've been around it a long time, and I've loved it, and I've had it north of the Arctic Circle, not as many times as you, but you know, it's just we've had a great grand time with it.
They're definitely adventure airplanes.
Yeah.
The other day, my wife and I had a discussion about if we couldn't keep all our airplanes anymore, the Stearman, the Cub, and all those things, which would be the one that we'd keep, and we both said the Gull.
Yeah.
There. It's just a wonderful flying airplane,
Yep.
and hauls a load, goes to the Arctic, we go fishing and camping, and
But would they trade keys?
tomorrow we're going to do it.
We could, either one could fly either one, that'd work.
Dave Hirschman, AOPA Live.